Michelle coming with you again to where in Wisconsin are we? We are in the Wellness Center at the in Baraboo, Wisconsin.
The Ho Chunk House of Wellness.
Ho Chunk House of Wellness. And I'm here with Mr. Tim Cornon. And you guys, I am here supporting on the Unity Tour, and it is an awesome day. I would like to thank Mr. Tim for, just building unity while we get a chance to get people registered to vote. Today, he helped someone find out that their registration was lapsed, and so this is a very important movement, you guys. I want you to understand that we all have come together. And you're going to see lots of live feeds of real action where Mr. Tim put together this program. And he's looking cool, too.
It's been a lot of people, Michelle, including you.
It has.
It's been a team of people, from videographers to artists to cooks to, it's been a ton of people. So don't just say me. It's been a lot of us, and it's been a beautiful, beautiful community of people who realize that now's the time for people to come together.
But that's why I was given to you, because you're like a trailblazer. And so I just wanted to honor you and say thank you for inviting me, and I am having an awesome time. So don't get bored thinking, oh, I'm not going to follow them around. Y'all, they got a basketball tournament going on. They gave me I had some good bagels and cream cheese. My son is here with me. I'm having a family event. I know, right? Kavaris is here with me, my help. And I met Mr. Art and Ada for the first time. And these are beacons in my world, and I didn't even know they exist, and I got it all because I followed the Unity bus tour. 70 cities, 35 weeks. Y'all better come out next time.
Woohoo! All right. And by the way, tomorrow we're in Reedsburg, back to Baraboo, and then down to Sauk City.
Yes.
Next week, where are we?
Milwaukee. I'll be in Milwaukee.
Okay, folks. Thank you.
All right, thank you.